The Ball Poem, line by line, explanation. Poet John Berryman, stanza 1. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? क्या हाल है उस लड़के का जिसने अपनी गेंद खो दी है? Here the poet introduces a young boy who has lost his ball. It represents the beginning of a loss in life. What is he to do? अब वह क्या करेगा? The poet wonders how the boy will react to the situation, suggesting confusion or helplessness. I saw it go. मैंने देखा वह गेंद जाती हुई. The poet personally observes the moment the ball bounces away. Merrily bouncing down the street and then खुशी खुशी उछलती हुई सड़क पर नीचे जाती हुई और फिर the ball is shown as carefree, bouncing with joy, like how we lose things without any warning. Merrily over, there it is in the water. खुशी खुशी पानी में गिर गई वो रही. The ball ends up falling into the water, likely a river or sea, beyond recovery. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. ये कहने से कोई फायदा नहीं कि और भी गेंदें हैं. The poet says that telling the boy he can get another ball won't help. It's not just about the ball. Stanza 2. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. लड़का गहरे दुख से कांप रहा है. The boy is deeply affected. He's experiencing grief for the first time. As he stands rigid, trembling, staring down, वह कठोरता से खड़ा है, कांप रहा है, नीचे देख रहा है. He is in shock, unable to move, looking where the ball disappeared. All his young days into the harbor where उसके बचपन के सारे दिन उस बंदरगाह में समा गए हैं जहां the ball symbolizes his childhood and innocence, now gone. His ball went. I would not intrude on him. उसकी गेंद गई. मैं उसके बीच में नहीं आऊंगा. The poet respects the boy's emotions and doesn't interfere. A dime, another ball is worthless. एक पैसा, दूसरी गेंद, सब बेकार है. Buying a new ball won't replace the emotional connection he had with the old one. Now, the poet shifts focus to what the boy is learning in the present moment. Stanza 3. He senses first responsibility. वह पहली बार जिम्मेदारी को महसूस कर रहा है. The boy begins to realize the truth of life, that we are responsible for our losses and emotions in a world of possessions. एक ऐसी दुनिया में जहां सब कुछ वस्तुएं हैं. Everything in the world can be owned or lost. Life is full of material things. People will take balls. लोग गेंदें ले लेंगे. Others may take away what we love. Nothing is permanent. Balls will be lost always, little boy. गेंदें हमेशा खो जाएंगी, छोटे लड़के. Loss is a natural part of life. The poet accepts that such things will always happen. And no one buys a ball back. कोई भी खोई हुई गेंद वापस नहीं खरीद सकता. Lost things, once gone, especially emotions, time, childhood, can't be replaced. Money is external. पैसा बाहरी चीज है. Money can't replace emotional or personal losses. He is learning, well behind his desperate eyes. वह सीख रहा है अपनी दुखी आंखों के पीछे से. The boy is quietly understanding life's harsh truth. The epistemology of loss, how to stand up. हानि का ज्ञान कि कैसे खड़ा रहना है. He is learning the philosophy of loss, how to face grief and move forward. Knowing what every man must one day know. जो हर इंसान को एक दिन जरूर जानना होता है. This is a universal experience. Everyone loses something or someone. And most know many days how to stand up, और बहुत से दिन ऐसे होते हैं जब खड़ा होना सीखना पड़ता है. Life brings many challenges. We must learn how to stand strong again and again. Poem summary, in simple words. The Ball poem is not just about a boy losing a ball. It's about loss, growing up and accepting reality. Through the incident, the boy learns that life moves on, and we must learn to cope with loss without depending on others or material replacements.